Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the seashell search minigame in Trust and Impress game of Roblox Summer Update 2026. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here that we have new seashell search minigame. And if you play it, you're going to teleport to the free play mode. And then you're going to go outside of the building. Hold on. All right, you're going to go to this area, guys, and then you're going to talk to this girl, and the minigame will be started, and you're going to find them around this area. Okay, just search the seashells right here. You'll see the sparkle of the seashell, and then you just need to tap on the seashell to collect them. And you need to collect 15 seashells. And after that, you're going to get the flower for free. Okay, just search this in this area. Okay, that's so easy, guys. Okay, right here. All right, this is the last seashell I need to collect. And after that, you'll get flowers. And I got 120 flowers. And if you want to play it again, guys, you need to come back in 24 hours. Okay, it will be refreshed after 24 hours. Okay, guys, and that's how you can that's how you can complete the seashell search minigame and Dress to Impress summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.